is that we first and foremost dealing with a person. That person happens to be an athlete who might be a competitive or elite level athlete who plays a particular sport, who might be playing in a particular position, or they've got a specific role or function on the team. So there's of course these different layers to it. At the same time, it's if you take that person and you take it back into where do they come from, what's the environment which they are living, growing up, what's their life story. That part is often coming through in the mindset that they and the actions that they live out on a day-to-day basis. So you get the athletes who got to that level through sheer hard work. You know, it was hard work and hard knocks, the school of hard knocks of life that got them to that point. So that's one mindset. There isn't a single mindset.